My name is Camelia Lopez, and I'm an Assistant United States Attorney for the Eastern District of Texas.
And my name is Donna Max. I am an Assistant U.S. Attorney for the Northern District of Texas.
We are here today to talk about one of the most common schemes that target the senior population, money mules.
Criminals work hard to perfect their lies and create stories they think will help them get their hands on your hard-earned money. Whether by trial and error or by assuming multiple personas through online profiles, criminals look for vulnerabilities of human nature. Once a criminal has tricked a victim into sending them money, the criminals need a trustful and unwitting, unsuspecting person who they can trust to receive the money from another fraud victim in order to send it to the criminal exactly as they instruct, via cashier's check, cash, wire transfer, or even virtual currency.
This activity of receiving and then sending money is known as acting as a money mule, and it is one of the most prevalent ways criminals are exploiting you, our seniors. In doing so, the criminals are adding layers of people and bank accounts between themselves and their victims. These layers enable the criminals to effectively launder the funds.
The scammers who design these schemes may first have approached you in a work-from-home scheme, or more commonly, a romance fraud scheme. In a romance fraud scheme, they would convince you that they are a legitimate and interested companion. They may have even tried to bleed you dry of your own money. They may have even asked you to take financial equity from your home to help them in an emergency. But when your money runs out, they'll look to use you as a money mule.
If you're a money mule, the money you are receiving is likely derived from victims of romance fraud, business email compromise, or other financially fraudulent schemes. However, it could also be something more nefarious, such as from human trafficking or illegal drug sales.
Last year in the U.S., victims over the age of 60 lost $281 million due to romance fraud, and another $169 million was lost through business email compromise schemes. Criminals orchestrating both romance and business email compromise schemes rely heavily on the use of money mules to add layers between their victims and their own bank accounts.
The Department of Justice, U.S. Attorney's offices in the Eastern and Northern Districts of Texas, along with the Dallas FBI and our partners at every level, care about your safety and well-being, whether physical, emotional, financial, or otherwise. If you've been coerced or tricked into sending money to an individual you've never met in person or know someone who has, please contact your financial institution right away and report this to the appropriate law enforcement agency, as you may be the only one with missing information that helps law enforcement prevent others from losing money to these criminals.
The Department of Justice, the FBI, and our partners work to investigate many scams and crimes against older people, but prevention and awareness are critical. Whether it's tricking someone into becoming a money mule or trying to convince them that they won a non-existent lottery, savvy criminals know how to prey on their victims. If you believe you or someone you know may have been a victim of elder fraud, contact your local FBI field office or submit a tip online at tips.fbi.gov. You can also file a complaint with the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center at www.ic3.gov.